This little product is a page holder for all of you one-handed multitasking readers out there. Cute, right? We've just got a brand new machine in the workshop that means we can make them ourselves. So I'm very proud to introduce our WAZER Waterjet cutter.
This very cool machine mixes a high pressure jet of water with an abrasive, which means it can cut up to 12mm thick aluminium or 6mm in steel. A bit like a laser cutter, but with water. Get it? WAZER.
It can also cut HDP as well, so we can use it to cut profiles like we did with the CNC.
In order to make a metal mould, you of course need some stock metal to cut. But since we're all about recycling, we had a little scout around and we managed to find this 10mm aluminium plate with some old pumps and circuits attached to it.
Fortunately, there was a section that was large enough that we could use without any holes, so we cut this free with the angle grinder and then mounted it on the WAZER.
We used our Vectric Aspire CAD software to draw the shape of the mould plate and then transferred this over to the WAZER cam package.
For this fairly chunky bit of aluminium, the cut took around 2 hours. Once it was done, we rinsed off all of that abrasive and then took it out of the machine.
There are a few little tabs to cut and some spots to clean up using our rotary tool, but once we'd done that, the mould was ready to put to work.
Now that we've got our mould ready to go, it's time to fire up the injection moulding machine to make sure it works.
This time we're using shredded plastic and we pop it in the machine and let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes while it melts.
Once it's ready, we clamp the mould in place and then pull that wheel to force the hot plastic into the mould.
And now that we have this mould, we have a way of making these book holders in small batches at a much faster pace. Having machines such as the CNC and the WAZER are perfect for us as a small business. We can use these to make prototype products for people, as well as our own custom moulds for other businesses.